Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and no, your eyes are not deceiving you. You are looking at a Samsung Galaxy S9, which came out in March of 2018, so you're looking at an 8-year-old phone. Turns out Eleanor had it before she had the Pixel 6, and now she's got a Pixel 8a, but she had given the S9 to her youngest daughter, and she has a newer phone and she's visiting now, so she brought it back to her mother, and of course Eleanor gave it to me. So I figure, well, it's 8 years old, let's see how it still works.
Alright, let's do it.
And yes, it does still work. I took it to work with me all day yesterday and used it today when I did my bicycle ride and took a few pictures. So, just wanted to give you a quick update on, yes, this thing is still working. How big this 8-year-old phone compares to a OnePlus 13, and you can see it's a huge difference. So the fingerprint sensor in the rear, still very quick, works very nicely. And it's front and back Gorilla Glass 5, IP68 dust and water resistant, which is pretty good for 8 years ago. And the display, as I said, is 5.8 inches Super AMOLED HDR10. Resolution is 1440 by 2960 pixels. But it still works just fine. It's One UI 2.5 and it's Android 10. So I just thought it was fascinating just to give it a try, and I was impressed at how well it still works. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Still feels good, even though it feels tiny in my hand compared to the other phones that I use for the most part, except the Pixel 10 is closer to the size. If we compare it to the Pixel 10, well, it's not such a huge difference. Pixel 10 is still bigger, but of course the Pixel 10 is considered small by today's standards. I haven't taken any video, but it does shoot at 1080p, 3060, and 240 FPS, and also shoots at 4K, 30 and 60 FPS. Not bad. It's got gyro, EIS, and OIS. The selfie camera is 1440p, 30 frames per second. So let's take a quick look at the few shots I did take today while I was out bike riding. So looks pretty good, still takes very nice pictures. And there's no portrait mode though. I was kind of surprised at that. I'm too spoiled, I guess. That's about all I have to say about it. Of course, I don't, nobody's going to be selling this in 2026, but since I had it out, I figured let me take it out for a couple of days and try it out. And yes, I can attest to the fact that it still runs great. That's the Samsung Galaxy S9, 8 years old. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.